What's up, folks? Heidi's morning update. June 1st, first of the month. Um, Overnight, 30-point range, 56 to 25. So very nice consolidation, actually. Maybe we see a consolidated day, inside day, in between the 102 and the 80. Who knows? Right now, I'm agnostic. I'm not bearish. I'm not bullish. I don't know. Yesterday, I thought they would ramp it. I thought they were going to ramp the close to. I really thought it was going to be 4,200. I really thought that they were just going to crush it, but they didn't, and they basically pegged the April close. So we closed May 50 cents above the April close, which is technically green, but not overly bullish in my mind. In fact, it's fairly neutral. So I don't know. And I think that that's why the overnight's so shallow, because everyone's just like, dude, I don't know. 56, 57, that's going to be a big level today. Not just the overnight high, but it was a level from yesterday as well. It provided some resistance. If we get a cash open above that, I could see us going. And starting to rally. If we do that, your first is 41.70, 68.70, 41.80, 42.02, which is the mythical Memorial Day high that's not showing up on my charts. I know it traded. I saw it trade. This says it didn't. Anyway, and then 42.29, which is a huge level that's been that way for a long time. I'd like to see a close above that for an actual bullish structure in this market. So it's in my mind, it's still slightly bearish because we're not there yet, but we're not that far away from it either. This is definitely striking distance. So we're not down into the, with the three handle. Overnight low, 41.29. We break that. 4100, 4102 is going to be your next level down. We have singles to 88. So 4088 is going to be a level that will clean up those singles. Then you're back into 4070. So the 4170 to 4070 range has been there before. We've been in this range before, and now we're in it again. So for any structure change, I want to see above 70 or below 70. 4170, 4070. Below that, 4140, and then we can get into the gnarlies below that. But I don't know. We'll see. Here's your hourly chart. Your pivot's 41.38, 41.73, and 40.96 up and down. We'll see. This kind of looks coilish to see which way we head. As it's consolidated, it's coiled. So we have potential for move today. I just don't know which one. And, that could not move, and we could just sit here all day and just consolidate. But who knows? Here's your daily. You kind of have your scoop, your run up. There was no extension. We did not get past the 29 level. And now we're stalling. So maybe we bull flag here and go up, or that was the run up and now we're going to come back down. That's yet to be seen. I do not know. Interesting that the 86 level, or that fib. So this was the fib from COVID low to all-time high, and you have an 86, 88, or 86 level. So that's kind of held. If we get above that, if you're a fib person, that goes to 44.29 would be your next one. I don't rely heavily on fibs, but I'm not against them. I just don't. It's not something I use every day. What else? Let's talk about the euro. Again, euro went up 107. This is the hourly chart, down to 106.7. And we're looking kind of bearish as it comes down. ECB was all riled up for rate hikes and talking about a 50-cent hike. Now they're walking that back. I would be very, 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 very surprised if they hiked. In my mind, they cannot. There's too much debt, negative interest rates, and they've ruined their bond market. So they talk it up to try to survive. But this currency at some point goes to zero in the near future, and I don't know when. But anyway, the fact it couldn't get over 108 to me was that was a reaction back after the dip, because it really, we went down hard, but then you had that ramp. I don't know. But I keep my eye on this because it matters. SPX cash gap 77 to 57 is still valid. Then we have this little guy down here. I'm not worried about that little guy. But so 57 could be a low if we travel down there, if we fill that cash gap. If we fill this cash gap and don't continue, that in my mind that would be bullish, because you're getting set to ramp up, right? You're closing your gap, you're cleaning up your mess, and then you're going to move forward. So we'll see. Again, I'm agnostic. I don't know what happens today. I think Bullard speaks at 1. That should be interesting. So we have manufacturing, job openings, quits. Okay. Construction spending should be interesting. Yeah, here's Bullard. What a douche. And then Beige Book, and then so I don't know. We'll see what transpires today, if anything. I wouldn't be surprised if maybe we just get a consolidated day for a move tomorrow, but chances of that are fairly slim. But as of now, we're consolidated. We're kind of waiting, and so maybe everyone's just waiting for the cash open. I don't know. Anyway, stay safe. Be careful. Watch those. Don't get yourselves in trouble. And PDT, make sure if you're hacking, make sure it's the same strikes. And stay safe. All right. Have a good day.